Okay, Mike. Here's the setup I've got. I went to a Tractor Supply store and I got these aluminum rails. They're because I saw this on one of the I saw that they use something like this on one of those videos. So it's non-magnetic but conductive. Okay. I also saw where they used magnets in between the rails. So I've got 4 neodymium magnets right here that I've got taped down to the workbench, and then I've got the rails. I've got them in between the rails, and I've got these spacers underneath the rail so that the top of the magnets don't go above the rails. Now, the wire that I'm using here is it's a copper wire with nickel plating, and it was all bent. You know, it was in a coil, and I tried my best to straighten it out, but it's not the roundest thing in the world. However, taking a regular 9-volt battery, and you can see I'm getting some movement there, and if I change direction it goes in the other direction depending on what side of the magnet it's on. And then up here, I don't know if you can see that, up here I've got my power supply, and the power supply is set to 12 volts. It's a dual power supply that excuse me, that we'll be back here. Great, now I can't get this to stay. Okay, got it. Please stay there. Okay, so it's a dual power supply that I've got in parallel so that I can get some more current out of it. And it's got a 1 ohm resistor in series with the output. So you can see that I can get the projectile to move between the magnets. Okay, so it is working, not as well as I would expect it to, but I think if this was straighter and if I had the magnets aligned properly, I don't know what the orientation of the magnets are supposed to be, but these magnets have a north pole on the top and a south pole on the bottom, or vice versa, whatever. I don't know which way the poles are, but because I didn't have a couple of magnets from the speaker magnets. So so the rails are conductive but non-magnetic. The projectile is conductive but not magnetic, and no body is tubular. Okay, it's all solid, and I think that might be part of your problem. And then the other part is being able to get something with a lot of current. I don't know how much current you can get out of this guy for how long, but as you can see, even a 9-volt battery will make it move. If I can get it in the right position so that it can roll. Like I say, it's not the flattest thing. Let me get it closer to one of the... But anyway, it's probably dead by now. So hopefully that helps. See you later.